political controversy has erupted in West Bengal on March 7 after President Droupadi Murmu raised concerns over alleged protocol lapses during the International Santal Conference in Darjeeling district. The president said the venue of the program had been changed and the expected protocol was not followed during her visit. She also noted that the chief minister and senior ministers were not present to receive her. The conference was initially scheduled at Bidhanagar under the Pansideva block. However, officials later shifted the venue to Gosinpur near Bhagdogra, citing security and logistical reasons. During her address, President Murmu expressed disappointment over the change of location and said the original venue could have accommodated more people, but the state government said that it was congested. The remarks triggered political reactions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized the Trinamool Congress government, alleging that the state administration was responsible for the situation and stressing that the dignity of the president's office must be respected. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee responded by saying she was not aware of the program and had been attending a sit-in protest in Kolkata over the revision of electoral rules. She said the state government respects the president but added that some remarks about the state's work for tribal communities were not appropriate. The chief minister also said her party leaders would seek a meeting with the president to present details of welfare initiatives for tribal communities in the state.